Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and a customer asks you to call them back on the prefix 0937. So my question is, do you know which network provider that is? And if you don't, no worries, with CouponBet, we can find the answer in a matter of seconds. So all you have to do is, first of all, log in on CouponBet. And once you're logged in, you can see this is the dashboard. We're going to the Tools tab, so click on the Tools link. And in here, you can see all the information and all the tools right now available on CouponBet. Scroll down to the bottom. What we need is the Provider Prefix Checker. Now you can see this is the tool we need, and this tool matches the phone number with the network provider. So what we have to do is enter the prefix that we have, which is 0937. And there you are. You can see this number is an ABS-CBN mobile provider number. So now you know exactly with which phone you need to call your customer. And this tool is very useful for you, and of course there are more tools on CouponBet. CouponBet is designed to help you to organize your travel agency with all the tools you need for your agency. And if you like this and you want to use CouponBet for your travel agency as well, go to CouponBet and register for an account right now.